Hello my dear children, this is your computer teacher. In computers chapter 2, that is types of software, was going on. In this chapter exercises were given as homework, but few students could not complete and understand the exercises. So today we will revise the exercises. So let's get started. First of all, filling the blanks. First is the software is of two types. As we know, there are two types of software, application software and system software. So the right answer is system and application. Now the second question is dash controls the overall activity of a computer. As we know, operating system controls. So the right answer is operating system. Now the third question is an operating system manages all dash and dash. As we know, operating system manages all input and output. So the right answer is input and output. Now the fourth question is dash programs perform specific tasks related to managing a computer, its devices or its program. As we know, utility program manages everything. So the right answer is utility. Now the question number 5 is the presentation software is used to present and dash or dash. In presentation software like PowerPoint, we have to present an idea or concept. So the right answer is idea or concept. Now the sixth question is dash is an example of multimedia software. As we know, Windows Media Player is an example of multimedia software. This is used to play your multimedia files like your videos, your audios. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let's start the true false. First question is application software can run without the presence of system software. As we know, system software controls and manages the whole computer, and without them we cannot even start the computer. So this is saying false. Application software can't run without presence of system software.
Right answer.
Second question is a language processor translates the machine language into programming language. As we know, a language processor translates the programming language into machine or computer language. So this is saying opposite. This is false.
Right answer.
Third question is backup is a process of shrinking the files on a disk. As we know, backup means copying the files so that if the computer fails or if any problem occurs, then we have the backup, we have the copy of all the files and data. So backup is not shrinking, that is only copying the files. So this is false.
Right answer.
Question number 4 is VCalc was the first computer spreadsheet program. As we know, VCalc was the first computer spreadsheet program. This is true.
Right answer.
Question number 5 is an interpreter translates the whole program into an equivalent code in one go. As we know, the interpreter translates your programming language into machine language program line by line, not in one go. This is saying wrong. So this is false.
Right answer.
Now let's start the ABQs. First question is Radhika wants to protect her computer system against virus attacks. What kind of software will you suggest her to install? As we know, antivirus software protects us from the virus attacks. So the right answer is antivirus software. Surbhi has made a project on water pollution. She wants to mail it to her sister for further improvement, but it does not upload because it is oversized. Which utility program should she use for this task? As you know, if we want to reduce the size of any file, we use compression software like WinZip. So the right answer is compression. The third question is Monica is a designer in a publishing house where books, brochures and advertisements are created. Which type of software does she need? As we know, desktop publishing software allow us to create newspapers, brochures, magazines and advertisement. So all these things are made using the desktop publishing software like CorelDRAW, PageMaker. So the right answer is desktop publishing. Now let's see, match the following. First is spreadsheet, that is given at the third position. This is the icon of MS Excel. Word processor is given at the last position and this is the icon of MS Word. Graphics software is given at the second last position. This is the icon of MS Paint. Presentation software is given at the second position and this is the icon of MS PowerPoint. Compression is given at the first position, okay, and desktop publishing is the fourth position. This is the icon of CorelDRAW. So these are the examples of the given type of software. Now let's start the multiple choice questions. First question is, which among the following utilities check the connectivity and configuration of network devices? As we know, network utility checks the connectivity and configuration of network devices. So the right answer is network.
Right. Answer.
Second question is, dash operating system allows a user to run more than one application programs at the same time. As we know, if we want to run more than one application, if we want to do more than one task, we will use multitasking operating system.
Right. Answer.
Third question is, a dash program helps you to perform calculation and analyze data in a better way. As you know, if we want to do calculations, if we want to analyze the data, we will use spreadsheet program, that is MS Excel or Tally. So the right answer is spreadsheet.
Right. Answer.
Question number 4 is, dash in an example of antivirus utility program. As you know, WinZip is used for compression for shrinking the files, and Norton is an example of antivirus. So the right answer is Norton.
Right. Answer.
Question number 5 is, software which are designed for specific needs of user are called dash software. Specific needs means specific purpose application software. So the right answer is specific purpose software.
Right. Answer.
Now the question number 6 is, which utility software shrinks files so that less disk space is occupied? As you know, we are going to shrink, we are going to reduce the size of files. So compression software do this. So the right answer is compression.
Right. Answer.
So children, all your doubts are clear now. Chapter is complete. This much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.